वीर जवां तेरी आंख में डाले आंख खड़ा सर बांधे कफन घर से निकला ये पर्वत धरती और दरिया बस याद रखी सब में।
The most important thing in business is not how much money you have, how much technology you have, but the most important thing is how much will you have. Literally every step you do in your business life or your life will be filled with challenges. So the most important thing you need to have is the will and the courage to keep on going when you are facing those challenges.
मेरा इश्क है क़ल्बे है।
How did you invest and calculate that your business would be successful back at that time?
जब तक आपका टारगेट और आपका आइडिया इतने आपके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट ना हो कि आप उसके लिए सब कुछ सैक्रिफाइस करने के लिए रेडी हो, तो जब तक आप नहीं कर सकेंगे. Entrepreneurship requires you to give sacrifices, and that's why your topic and your idea needs to be so important that you should be willing to sacrifice your money, but most importantly your time, your age for that. Every Pakistani, everybody in this room should be proud of investing in Pakistani companies. हम अखबारों में पढ़ते हैं कि पावर सेक्टर वाले तो बहुत पैसा बना रहे हैं, देखिए ये लोग पैसे बना रहे हैं, हम नहीं बना रहे. मगर आपको स्टॉक मार्केट के थ्रू आप इन्हीं पावर कंपनीज में इन्वेस्ट करके जो प्रॉफिट वो बना रहे हैं आप उतना बना सकते हैं. स्टॉक मार्केट के थ्रू आप उन्हीं शुगर कंपनीज में इन्वेस्ट करके उन्हीं के प्रॉफिट्स का हिस्सा बन सकते हो. और जब आप ये करोगे, जब आप पाकिस्तानी बैंक्स, पाकिस्तानी टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनीज, पाकिस्तानी शुगर कंपनीज, पाकिस्तानी टेक्सटाइल कंपनीज में इन्वेस्ट करोगे, तो जब ये पैसा बनाएंगे तो आप पैसा बनाओगे.
तकदीर का नारा सुलगा कर हक की शम्स।
Success in life, success doesn't mean anything because ज़िंदगी एक जर्नी है. Success is when you are content, and that's why I'm so inspired and so positive about Pakistan, because I know we will win. I will know that no matter what challenge comes, inshallah we will win. And the most important thing is that your mission and the reason why you're doing the business, you guys should be connected with each other, because your unity, your friendship is what we need collectively to not only make Pakistan successful and Pakistan safe.
Is education important in establishing a successful business? Because as you said, that skill is a technical strength, and no doubt in that. But do you think that, and history also shows us many people who are drop out from their school and colleges, but now they are successful.